What's up, everybody? We are headed to the river this evening. We got a couple hours to fish. Hopefully we get into them. It's going to be fun either way. Y'all come on. There you go, baby. Thank you. Golly, jump back in the boat. Fish. Feels good. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Good start. Yes, sir. Come in this boat with me, son. You. Gotta love that. Thanks, buddy. Good little fish to start out the evening. There's a good one. Yes, sir. Decent little fish anyway. Thanks, buddy. All right. It has turned off gorgeous this evening. It was a little windy and hot. It was not as hot as it's been. It was about 95, 96 today. But it is cooled off nice. Atta boy. Oh, he's little, but he's mean. Thanks, little guy. Like a turtle might have got him. Ooh, be safe. Fish on. Can't tell how big he is. He had me wrapped up. Oh, he's not bad. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Did it again. Man. This is the second time in just a couple of weeks that I've caught two on one cast. Fantastic. That is awesome. Thanks, buddy. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Outstanding fish. Oh, he's got one following him. Oh, yes, sir. Atta boy. Yeah, baby. Come on now. Decent little fish, man. Couldn't resist the crawdad. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. You are pinned, aren't you? There you go, baby. Thank you. Golly, jump back in the boat. You can't come home with me. That's crazy. Thanks, man. That sucker jumped back in the boat with me. He said he wasn't finished with that crawdad. Oh yeah. Sir. Good fish. Good fish. Yeah, baby. Oh, look how yellow that thing is. Freaking golden brass almost. Oh boy. You were hooked too. Oh, gorgeous sucker. Thank you, buddy. What a day, man. I almost didn't come. I was gonna lay up at home. I'm so glad I came. This has been really good.
Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.